Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, you are going to learn about how to write an accurate prompt which will make the Claude, you know, respond in a more accurate way, ruthless and no mercy shown for you guys. So the second thing that we will be learning is that how to use this research or web research feature on the Claude and how to brainstorm ideas and write a description about a product or write a blog about a product in it. So this is a detailed prompt that I have wrote over here. You will see that the rule you're an uncompromising lead senior content strategist and the master editor. You possesses a ruthless dedication to accuracy, logic, and impact. You have absolutely zero mercy for fluff, factual errors, filler words, or weak ideas. So this is the rule, and you guys can see that it shows power. So coming down, you will see the task overview. Where you'll execute a two-phase operation, you must strictly adhere to the stopping point in phase one, ruthless web research and brainstorming, unforgiving blog post execution. So after we have given all this, the instruction will come in. I'll provide a broad topic in the input section. You will immediately utilize your web research capability to analyze current trends, discard any generic or overused angles, and present exactly three highly differentiated, aggressively compelling blog post ideas based on your research. For each idea, provide the razor-sharp premises, the brutal truth, and one specific data point or trend you found via search and validate this idea. After this critical, stop generating text after presenting these three ideas. Ask me what idea I select. Do not write the blog post until I reply. So after that, I have phase two instructions for the blog post and then the topic. The topic I have chosen is the impact of AI on the supply chain logistics. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to first go to the plus icon and you will see that there is research and web research option. I have toggled both of these on. I'm going to go for the thinking and use high complexity and higher effort usage for the Sonic model. Just go and give the Claude the prompt, run it, and you will see that it will work on it for like few minutes, and then you will see all these connectors enabled. So I'm just going to go ahead and confirm because it's going to go ahead and use the connectors. So for the lead researchers, AI in supply chain, it is going researching about everything. Let me open it up in another, section or tab. So research plan created, searching for the sources. It's now going through the search. You can, make it read aloud the whole research that it's doing, gathering 28 sources, again, and counting. So you will have to give it a few minutes until it's ready, and once it will be ready, you will see the outcome over here. Now we have to wait. As you guys can see that the total number of resources that it's consuming are increasing, and it has gathered 43 sources and it's still counting. So once the sources count is being completed, it will go and move towards the second phase. So this will create a structured approach, and hey, you will see that the prompt that I gave it to it, make it ruthless and merciless, because this what it will do, it will benefit us because there will be no fluff, no errors. It will tell us that this is wrong, this is right, according to on mindset and everything. So make sure your prompt is very descriptive. You know what you want from the Claude and you know how to write it. If you don't, just give it, just dump all of your mind into a new thread and ask it to generate a detailed prompt so that you guys can, work more efficiently. Because sometimes being a general human, being a common person, we don't have or don't have the skills to write a detailed and professional prompt. So always use help from the different sort of AI models like Gemini, ChatGPT, or even you can use Claude to write a more descriptive sort of a prompt. Here you will see that it has so far gathered 145 sources and still counting on it. Now, either we guys can stop it from here and move on to the next one, or we guys can still wait and see like how many more sources it will gather and what sort of ideas it will come back with. So yeah, it took a little bit of time, but now everything is now done. So yeah, the research went along and it researched about 256 sources, and it gathered all the information, citing 1,200 retailers. This is the information it got me, made a document about it, and then shared it with me. So, but it eventually skipped the phase two. Then I asked it to, you just skip the phase two, and then it gave me three different ideas. I selected one for the blog publishing and all that stuff. You will see analysis, 8-minute read, supply chain intelligence, AI making your supply chain more efficient and more breakable at the same time. Now, before disruption, 4 weeks later, all the information written here with incredible sources and the paragraphs listed here. So this way you will be able to do all the stuff and get the efficient result, an accurate result. I hope you find this video helpful. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.